Hey guys, it's me, Tina Marie, with True Meaning of Radiance. Today's video is actually going to be a Bath & Body Works haul. Y'all, the resolution I said that I ain't going in, I ain't buying body care, blah blah blah, it's over. Just that resolution didn't make it. I'll stick to the rest of my resolutions because all the rest is doable, but staying out of my stove is just not doable, y'all. And I keep watching collection videos and I'm like, oh my god, what's that item, what's this, what's that, and I just get intrigued all over again. And I know a lot of people are like, can you do a combined SAS haul of everything you bought? I will not be doing that, and the reason why is because that's just too many items, and the items already in the collection, already put up. So what I'm going to do is this month, because this video is coming out hopefully, no, this video, I don't know if this is going to be out in the end of January or beginning of February, but in February, once a week, I am doing a video of something in my collection. Either it's going to be 1 week body washes, the next week body lotions, the next week shower gels, what was I going to say, sprays, and other week something else. But every week in February you will get a video of my collection, something in my collection, a portion of my collection. My collection has grown, even though I do donate to domestic violence awareness with, I think it's Hope, yeah, Hope Alliance here in Round Rock, Texas is who I donate to. Yeah, my collection is quite massive, and this year I don't, well, this quarter, because I donate once a quarter, I think this quarter I'm not going to donate Bath & Body Works. This quarter they have a whole list of other things that's needed, like clothes for the women, clothes for kids, stuff like that. So this quarter I am going to donate some clothes, and I'm going to donate some clothes for kids. So that's what I'm going to do this quarter, because I've been doing Bath & Body Works for like 2 quarters, 3 quarters now. So this quarter I'm going to do something different. But anyway, back to the haul. So I have a Bath & Body Works haul. I did use another one of my coupons, so I only have 1 coupon left, which is the 20% off one. And good news, y'all, champagne toast is still available. I'm so happy about that. I know in my empties I was like, oh my god, champagne toast is gonna be gone. Oh my god, they don't have champagne toast no more. But my girl at the outlet told me champagne toast is part of the permanent collection. Boom, boom, signature line, hey. But I'll wait until that it goes on sale. Buy 3, get 2, or buy 3, get 3, and then use a 20% off. Then I will get the full champagne toast again. But she said all they have was the body creams for now. Shower gels will be coming back, because if it was leaving, they would have clearanced it all the way down. So just so excited. Okay, so excitement down. So I have 2 bags. Ah! Oh my god, 2 bags. I just love this store. Like, this store gives me so much excitement and joy. And remember, if you can't get in the stores and you have to order online, go through eBay and get what do I say all the time? Cash money. Go ahead and get cash back on your purchases. I get my eBay check on the 15th of February. I can't wait, because I'm like, hey, I'm going to use that joint right back at the store. I'm about to take it right back to the stove. I'm about to take it right back to the stove and spin it. But hey, it's not money that is coming out of any expenses. Is my money. I might use my 20% coupon. When I get my eBay check on the 15th, boom, whole transaction free. What you say now? Okay, so anyway, I'm all over the place. Let's get started, shall we? So I'm gonna first start off with Wallflowers. Wallflowers were on sale for $3.50, and then you can get additional 20% off, and I think that took it down to like $2.65 or something like that. I can't remember, but I told y'all, if Wallflowers went on sale, I was hoping they would have went on sale for $2.50, but they didn't. But it was $3.50, and I was like, I'm not gonna miss this deal, because who knows, because that 5 for 20 something, I don't like that deal. But I had to go I had to go back in, and I went back in, y'all. The first one is key lime pie. If you guys can see it, you might not be able to, so I'll just show you the Wallflower. Key lime pie smells just like a Fruit Loop. It's in my bathroom right now. I cannot get enough. Like, I need that. Like, I need that. Like, key lime pie, so good. So if you have not gotten key lime pie and you don't want the candle because you don't do candles, get the plugins. You'll thank me later. The next one I got is just one of these banana bundt cake. I'm not a big fan of banana scents like that, so I figured if I had one, I'm good. So I got one of the banana bundt cake. Another key lime pie. Why? Because I love key lime pie. Key lime pie. Another key lime pie. Limoncello in the old packaging with the white top. And then I even got a new limoncello Hello, limoncello. With the new top, I like the new top. The black one is all sophisticated, but it really ain't gonna matter once you plug it in. But I do like the black top. And I'm sorry if you hear birds chirping. It's the first thing in the morning. It's like, what time is it? It's like 7:50 and I'm recording because I have to go to work, so I'll try to get the recording in. So if you hear the birds chirping, enjoy it. It's early in the morning. I'm relaxing, you're relaxing, we're hauling, so enjoy it. And I got 3 Fiji white sands with the black top. This new packaging of the Fiji white sands is really pretty. And just to give you the notes of Fiji white sand, it says fresh cut sugarcane white nectarine and sandalwood. Oh my god, I love Fiji white sands. The coolest 75% off candle, y'all. This is in sweater weather. I had to pick it up. Like after coupon, it was like 3 something. Look at it. Oh my goodness. I think it was a little under 3. No, 350. It was 350. Look at that. How cute is this sweater weather? In sweater weather you can use year round. Oh my goodness, but I'm not even going to use it. I'm just going to hold on to it into next winter and then burn it. But I just got it for the packaging and they had a crap load of them, but it's a one-wick candle. I don't need a lot of one-wick candles, so I just got one. But I do have some one-wicks that I went crazy for because they were $2, plus after coupon they went even cheaper to like, I think it was like $1.80 or 63 or something like that. Summertime soda. I love summertime soda. I have one of the big ones left, so when I seen the mini ones were $2 plus get additional 20% off, I had to take advantage of it. I had to grab them up, y'all. The summertime soda pop is crisp lime, zesty lemon, and that's what it says. That's what it is, and it smells so good. It smells just like a soda pop. I absolutely love it, and I just had to have full. The last candle I got was pineapple crumb cake. And I got this one because one of my buddies, she told me she got it, and I was like, ooh, I wonder what it smells like, because she got this one and she got the apple fruit punch, and I went to go smell both of them because she told me about them. And after smelling both of them, the fruit punch one, I don't know, sometimes when you open it, it smells really good, and then sometimes it's like I don't know. But this one, every time I went, I was like, ooh. And this is the pineapple crumb cake. I love the raised packaging. The raised packaging is so cute. Of course, it's a standard 3-wick candle, and this is part of the Sweet Shop 2.0. We don't know if that's the real name, but I guess it is. But you need that. Now let's get into sanitation. I told you I was getting into PocketBacs. Like, oh my god. So the PocketBacs, of course, 5 for $6. I got berry lemonade. If my camera will focus these in, you guys will see exactly what they look like. But this is berry lemonade. I got peach mango. Peach mango smells so good. Like, so good. And the packaging is really, really cute. I got champagne sparkle. And I'm thinking this is champagne toast because it kind of smells like it. But who knows. But I got that one. I got strawberry vanilla sugar. I have the hand soap in this one too, and it smells pretty good as a hand soap, so I picked this up. Last one, it will not show up on the camera, but it's birthday wishes, and it's cake batter. Oh my god, it smells just like a cake batter. It's everything. Like, it smells so good. I really do like it. I like it so much that I went ahead and got the cake batter foaming mousse. Oh my god, this foaming mousse is so cool. Like I said, it's cool for the kids, and it's cool. And this is what happy birthday looks like. Focus in, camera, focus in. There it is, happy birthday. And this is cake batter, so go shout it. It's your birthday. We gon' party like it's your birthday. This smells so good. You need it. And it was like $3. It was on sale. It doesn't expire till 11/20/20. So you got some time to use it. And these ones were 75% off, these mousse ones. So I got this winter candy apple. This one was only $1 and I want to say it's $1.10 after coupon. And I got the cinnamon caramel swirl. Again, only $1.10 after coupon, and that's what that one looks like. All of them have an expiration in 2020, so that's really good. So it gives me time to use them. I'm actually going to be giving one to Justin to keep in his backpack so he can be, you know, sanitizing his hands throughout the day. I'm gonna keep one in my purse. I'm gonna keep one in the car for the, well, I don't know, because this is the type of can it is. I don't think I'm gonna keep one in the car. I'll just keep a regular PocketBac in the car for the kids, because they get all greasy and germy and all that, and I can sanitize them. So I'm about to become the sanitization queen, okay? I'm about to be sanitizing everything just to sanitize it, because I fall in love with their sanitization product. On to the body care. I know that's what you all love, right? The body care. So I got this hand cream. It says congrats. It's in cool mint, and it was only $1 because it was 75% off. And the 75% off items are still there, y'all. Find them. They are there. They got the little bin. Sometimes it ain't full with a lot of stuff, but when you can find some gems, it's always nice to get them. So I picked this up. I only broke down and got snowflakes and cashmere, because someone said snowflakes and cashmere is the same as another scent. I forgot which scent she said. I forgot already what she said it was the same as. Let me look at my phone, because I know when the girl told me, I took a picture of it. Yeah, I'm one of those people, because if I can't remember something, I'll take a picture of it, because I know I'll forget. And she told me what it was a dupe for. But I went ahead and got snowflakes and cashmere. It looks just like that. And I keep seeing it, keep seeing it. And I just finally said, let me have it. It smells so good. I like it, so it was definitely worth getting. I did pick up Juniper Breeze. Juniper Breeze, I didn't get this for my body. I got this as a room spray. And when I tell you it knocks funk out, it knocks funk out. I've seen this in 75% so many times, and I wouldn't get it because I'm like, ugh, who wants to smell like that? Who wants to smell like that? But I remember my dad's house smelling like this back in Virginia, and it smells just like this. It's like a fresh linen clean scent. And when I tell you, when I sprayed this on the beds and I sprayed this throughout my son's room, oh, that boy smell left out quick, okay, honey? That boy smell was gone, okay? So this is Juniper Breeze. I definitely do recommend this for your house, because it will have your whole house smelling like fresh linen. So that's what I'm gonna use it for. I'm not gonna use it for my body, but I am gonna use it for my house. And if I see more that in the 75%, I will grab 2 more, because this is a nice smell for the house. I might grab more than that, to be honest, because this is just gonna be a house freshener. I normally don't like this scent, but it's a diamond shimmer mist, and I smelled it on me and it didn't smell that bad. And it's sweet pea. I'm not the biggest sweet pea fan. I do not want a whole set of sweet pea ever. Like, I do not want a whole set of sweet pea, but I love the smell of the diamond shimmer mist. The diamond shimmer mist smells so good, and it was in the 75% off bin, so I grabbed it. I picked up the Frosted Coconut Snowball, the Ultra Shea Body Cream, only the small one, because I really don't like this scent. Like, it's not one of my favorites. I don't know why. I think it's too much. I think it's too much coconut. But in this little cream, it doesn't smell that bad. Like the body wash, I have the body wash. I think I picked it up, and it's a little strong. But hey, I just wanted to give it a try because I keep sleeping on it. But this cream isn't as strong, so this might be alright. So I picked up a mini, and it was like $1 and some change. I did pick up 1,000 Wishes because they had 1,000 of them on the 75% off table. So I picked up one, and it smells really, really good. I mean, we all know 1,000 Wishes is good. I picked up a Paris for Men. This is for Justin because he has this little body care collection going on. So I picked him up another body lotion because he has the Ocean one. Now he has the Paris for Men, so he got his little collection going on. Another True Blue Shea Butter Rich Body Cream. Got another one. And after coupon, it was like $3 and some change. This thing normally runs for $22.50. I got a 75% off, then additional 20% off, $3 and some change for True Blue Spa. I will take it. And lastly, what I used my little $5 body cream coupon for, another Champagne Toast. Pop, fizz, clink. Oh, y'all know I love Champagne Toast. I love Champagne Toast. It's one of my favorites. It's like an all-time favorite. Like a couple years ago, I slept on it and I could not stand Champagne Toast. Now this year, Champagne Toast is like, bae, It's so funny how your scents change as you grow up. It's crazy. Or like from year to year, your scents change. But yeah, I'm all about that champagne toast life, all right? No sex in the champagne room. Y'all remember that from Chris Rock? The champagne room. Absolutely, positively no sex in the champagne room. No. Y'all remember that from Chris Rock? That joke was hilarious. But yeah, I got the champagne toast. So that's it, guys. That's everything I got this edition of Bath and Body Works. One video a month of a haul will be coming to you guys. That's my dedication to Bath and Body Works. Like, I want to bring you guys one haul a month because I love Bath and Body Works. Next month's haul, when would that be? That's March, right? Yeah, because this is the one you're going to see in February. So you'll see another one in March because that's my birthday month. So you know them candles gonna be popping for my B-day. Yes, I'm gonna give me quite a few candles. You'll probably see the champagne toast line. Look at me giving all these spoilers. No more spoilers. No more spoilers. I went ahead and smelled 1 in a Million again, and so many people keep getting into it, and I feel so bad because I just don't like 1 in a Million. I don't like it. I don't like it. No likey. But one that I will get, and Joanna did a review on, I keep saying Joanna did a review on, is one of the new ones that I said just smell fresh and clean, and that's it. I think if I use my 20%, I might go back and get that just because it is a fresh and clean scent. And maybe I'll use it on a day when I don't want to smell like nothing. So I'm thinking about getting that. I'm thinking about it, but it's not because it's a fave. It's just because it don't smell like nothing. And some days I don't like smelling like nothing. So that would be pretty cool, I guess. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, rate, comment, subscribe. If you love Bath and Body Works hauls, let me know your favorite item below. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.